Welcome to this festive week of delicious meals. Christmas is just around the corner and it's time to sort out the most important meal of the day. Breakfast. Today we're starting with breakfast and brunch ideas perfect for Christmas morning. Whether you love a good fry up or need something lighter, we've got you covered. So grab your aprons and let's get this Christmas cooking party started. Let's dive in. Let's kick things off with a Christmas morning classic, the full English. This is a breakfast of champions. We're talking crispy bacon, juicy sausages, creamy scrambled eggs, grilled tomatoes and sautéed mushrooms. And what's a full English without toast? Get it golden brown and slap on some butter. This breakfast will set you up for a day of festive cheer. For something lighter but still festive, let's make smoked salmon bagels. Grab some fresh bagels, toast them until lightly browned, and spread on a generous layer of cream cheese. Top with beautiful slices of smoked salmon. A squeeze of lemon juice on top if you're feeling fancy. We can't forget something sweet. For a festive treat, let's warm up some delicious mince pies. These are packed with fruits and spices and smell incredible when baking. Dust with a bit of icing sugar for extra Christmas magic. For our gluten-free friends, I've got fluffy gluten-free pancakes. These are just as delicious as the regular kind. Whisk together gluten-free flour, sugar, baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Add milk, an egg, and melted butter. Cook until golden brown and fluffy. Then stack them high with your favourite toppings. For a warm and comforting start, let's make creamy oat porridge. Cook oats with your milk of choice over low heat until thickened. Sprinkle with cinnamon, add raisins, and finish with chopped apples for sweetness and crunch. What's Christmas morning without hot chocolate? This one's dairy free so everyone can enjoy it. Warm oat milk with cinnamon and nutmeg. Pour into mugs and top with vegan whipped cream or marshmallows. Grate over dark chocolate for extra indulgence. Pure festive heaven. There you have it, a feast of breakfast and brunch ideas for a scrumptious Christmas morning. Whether you crave a fry-up or need allergy-friendly options, there's something for everyone. It's all about sharing good food and good times with loved ones. From my kitchen to yours, have a very Merry Christmas, and I'll see you next time for Christmas lunch and dinner.